Introducing Promptmate's Ad Copy Writer for High-Ticket Services template. Your one-stop solution for crafting persuasive long-form ad copy for your high-ticket service. First, copy the service web page URL. Then go back to the Promptmate template and paste it in the input field. Then, click on Run. The first prompt will analyze the service's web page content and write a long-form body copy based on Hopkins' principles of scientific advertising. It will also write a headline for it. Remember that you can download the results as a CSV file or open directly on Google Spreadsheet. As you can see, this template can write ad copies that highlight benefits, include evidence, address pain points, create a strong call to action, and end with a compelling closing. It ensures your ad copy grabs attention, engages, and drives action effectively. For more information, visit promptmate.io. The only tool you need to skip to the finish line.